Okay, Bertrand and Madelon. I was talking to Bertrand about the use of tab groups in Safari. I think Safari is a very powerful browser and also has a lot of security features built in. Google Chrome, I know, is preferred by many, but we're trying to get away from Google, and they already know enough about us. So, although I still use Google Chrome occasionally for some things, my default browser is Safari, and the use of tab groups is absolutely brilliant. So let me just show you how this is. I'm just going to do a screen share, and I'm going to create a new empty tab group. Okay, so that's a new empty tab group, and I'm going to call this GrowthWorks. And what I want to do now is go to my 1Password, and I've searched for GrowthWorks, the three apps, the app, the university, and GrowthWorks University, the launch maps. So I'm going to open the university first, just by clicking on the website Open and Fill. And let's just move that over here. Didn't work because that was not an active tab group, but never mind. So I've got GrowthWorks here now. So I'll bring this one to the front. So now GrowthWorks University is in this tab, and I've got a couple of empty tabs here, but I'll just leave one at the moment. And then what I'll do is I'll go to the GrowthWorks app, launch maps, and then launch this, Open and Fill. And again, it's taking it to the, I don't know why it does that, that's a bit annoying. So I've just dragged the tab into this new tab group here. And then I want to open the final one, the GrowthWorks app. Open and Fill, and again drag it into the tab group here. And now that's enough. You may want to load a couple of other web pages that are directly related to this. You might want to load in your K Drive, for example, if you're working on K Drive or Monday.com. And all you need to do here is just create a new tab, Monday.com. And there's your Monday.com added to the tab group. I tend to use the app, but sometimes it's quite useful to have the browser and the app open because it gives you two windows. Right, so now I've called this GrowthWorks, but you could call it anything. GrowthWorks-BBTC, Best Boss Toolkit. Now I can click on here and just close this tab group. So next time I want to start working on GrowthWorks stuff, all I need to do is click on here, this little icon here, and that brings up my tab groups. And there you see one at the top. There's my news tab group. It's got the Irish Times, the New York Times, the Guardian, the Financial Times, and a Scottish newspaper and the Guardian. So basically I just have to click one tab group, and I get all the news articles I want to see. So I just click on GrowthWorks, bang. So there's all the tabs open that I want to work on. And you just close that window and you get rid of the sidebar. Hope you find that useful, and speak to you soon.